one. Successor to the and trying to work out service all this German heavy armour is it's very, very difficult to build. They never got the hang of mass production in the same way as the Americans or Soviets. So they don't have factories like American car, railway, or Soviet tank works, places like the show you next. As well. Two guys in the front, one radio operator, gunner and commander there up in the turret. Now down the other end of the field,
it's guaranteed to be back in a Sherman by the end of the following day. The Germans never had that capability. It's that
Saumur, the Musée de Blinde, the French Army Museum. Now, looking at King Tiger to start with, the Königstiger, that is a beast of a machine. That weighs 68 tons. It's 88mm, so it's the same caliber as that of Tiger 1, but it is a longer barrel and a much bigger cartridge, a much more amount of propellant behind it. If I put that in simple terms, if it really tries, that can put a round through frontal armour of Sherman or T-34 at a range of 3 kilometres, 3,000 metres. That is a massive, heavy gun. Crew of 5, it's reasonably excuse me. Inside it is reasonably roomy. It is, as you can see, it's a big tank. Now the problem is with